My name is Tony McConnell, and I'm a material scientist at Coastal Automotive. I work in the automotive industry, and I research materials that improve human safety in the event of a crash. Crash safety is something we can always improve upon. Automotive companies are continually searching for safer and lighter materials to protect passengers. At Coastal Automotive, we've turned to nature to improve and optimize crash safety. Nature has been creating and improving materials and structures for millions of years. It's often our best teacher for solving difficult engineering challenges and for providing inspiration and innovation. Take the acorn woodpecker, for example. Acorn woodpeckers are renowned for gathering acorns by the thousand and wedging them one at a time into holes that they've bored into old tree trunks. Studies show they can strike a tree 20 times per second and at a speed of 15 miles per hour. This, in effect, means the woodpecker is withstanding forces of 1,600 Gs. For perspective, in a car crash, the human brain will experience trauma if it sees a force greater than 100 Gs. How does the woodpecker withstand 16 times the force that the human brain can? We discovered that their skull is extremely lightweight, consisting of a trabecular bone structure. Another remarkable example comes from bananas. Banana peels protect the fruit from insects and birds while on the tree. When it ripens and falls, it must also be able to withstand the impact of falling. A microscopic examination of banana peels shows the outside surface of the peel as a small-celled, dense structure. As you travel to the inner fruit, the cell structure becomes larger, less dense, and more sponge-like. The inner cells absorb the initial impact force from the fall and will reduce any high stresses from being transmitted to the outer skin surface. As engineers, we can take these findings and create new man-made materials and structures. Coastal Automotive currently produces products from an energy management foam called Impacts. When it comes to weight to energy absorption ratios, Impact foam is the lightest, most effective energy management foam available and is used in millions of vehicles today. But what if we could borrow from the examples found in nature and take that foam to the next level? Composite sandwich constructions consist of strong outer skins that sandwich a lightweight core material. The lightweight cores used in these sandwich designs are usually honeycombs, cellular foams, or more recently, 3D printed lattice structures. 3D printed lattice structures are a form of biomimicry of the cellular structures found in nature. They allow engineers to tailor specific areas of the part or product to have different mechanical properties. Overcoming the high processing costs associated with 3D printed lattice structures and using a CNC wire cutting process has made this more readily available to engineers and designers. Recently, our engineering team created a composite sandwich panel utilizing a lattice foam core material consisting of hexagonal cutouts. The hexagonal cutouts provide a 30% weight reduction in the core foam material, which directly translates into less battery power required to accelerate and maintain the vehicle at speed. The honeycomb cells in the foam core material provide two other benefits. The first is acoustic noise reduction using the Helmholtz frequency attenuation concept, and this works by allowing sound waves to enter a cell cavity and resonate at a certain frequency. When two sound waves moving in opposite directions of the same frequency collide with each other, they will cancel each other out. The result is a reduction of noise at that frequency. The other benefit of the honeycomb foam structure is improved thermal insulation of the composite structure. An interior environment requires battery energy to keep the space warm or cool. The combination of lighter weight and better thermal insulation properties leading to less energy drain on the batteries. Using biomimicry, we are continuing to explore new ways to create safer, lighter, and smarter composite constructions. Visit our website at coastal-automotive.com.